Hey, what's up everyone? If your Corolla headlights aren't turning on, whether it's high beam, low beam, or both, don't panic. Today I'm going to show you exactly where the fuses and relays are on your 2009 to 2025 Toyota Corolla. So let's jump right in. Alright, starting with the 2009 to 2013 Corolla, also known as the E140. The headlight fuses and relays are all hiding in this little guy, the main fuse and relay box on the passenger side of the engine bay. Pop the lid open and you'll see a diagram right under the cover. Inside this box, we've got our main headlight players. You've got your Big Daddy, the main headlight relay, right here. Next, see that dimmer relay? Some call it the high-low relay. This is the VIP that decides if you're blinding oncoming traffic with your high beams or politely illuminating the road with your low beams. And speaking of beams, you've got power couples in here. We're talking two 10 amp fuses for your high beams and two more 10 amp fuses for your low beams. Always check these first if one set of lights is out. Next up, from 2014 to 2018, the E170 model. First things first, pop the hood and head over to the right side of your engine bay. Right here, you'll see this big black fuse and relay box. Lift the lid up, and boom, here's your fuse and relay diagram. Inside this box, we've got our main headlight players. You've got your Big Daddy, the main headlight relay, right here. But wait, there's more. Let's start with the high beams. They're controlled by the headlight relay and protected by these two red 10 amp fuses. If either of these fails, both high beams will go out. Moving on to the low beams. These run through the headlight relay and again, those two red 10 amp fuses. If they fail, both low beams will quit. Alright, in the 2019 to 2025 Corolla, you need to pop that hood and go to the driver's side fuse box right here under this cover. Just press in on this tab and lift the lid up. Boom, you're in. So let's dive deeper into this electrical labyrinth. You've got a 10 amp fuse for your right-hand headlight and a 10 amp fuse for your left-hand headlight. Know him, love him, and check him when your lights act up. Don't forget the workhorse that's always on duty, the 7.5 amp daytime running light fuse. This little champion is energized, no matter if you're high beaming it or just cruising with your low beams. It's always ready. And that's it. Now you know how to find and test every fuse and relay that keeps your headlights shining bright on your Toyota Corolla. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, drop a comment below if you have any questions, and hit subscribe for more easy automotive guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.